Camera. Action. Okay. So lame. So lame. Hey beautiful, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tazah Stevens. On here is the Tazah Tellique, and today I'll be showing you guys how I install my U-part wig. This time I did use hair clips instead of a sew-in, so if you're interested in how I sew in a U-part wig, that was in my previous video. But today I'll be showing you guys, this is kind of like the flip over method, but not really. It's very versatile because I have a U-part and I have 2 clip-ins, and I'll be showing you guys how I do that. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Okay, so we're starting on washed and blow dried hair. I'm going to be doing a not a middle part. My pattern will be for a side part, but big enough to do a middle part, and then I'm gonna add some clip-ins to the side where I want to do a middle part. Like I said, do the middle part and my side part's here. I'm gonna add some clip-ins here, so you know it'll be full. So the items I'm using today is a U-part wig, and I'll be using probably 2 clip-ins. I'll have to make those, like I have extra hair for my U-part wig, and make those into some clip-ins. I'm doing a side part, so of course I like to start off with the part. Alright, so now after sectioning off, well, I like to put the wig on just to know how deep I can go, how much to the side I can go, and the wig still works. Okay, so this is what I like to do. I like to put my hair in a pony where I have my part, because I'm trying to see if where I have the part is, you know, my wig will look like. So that's the part that I can tell where it's supposed to be. So if I do it here, I'm gonna have to bring the part back some more. I have it here. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out to make sure this part comes further enough. I feel like there might be too much leave out. Let me see. Let me put some more. And then remember, I'm doing middle parts. I need it to be like right there. So, okay, this is good. Ooh, as you can see, that's a lot of hair to leave out. Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. I like to put my wig on, not on, but put it up against my head just to make sure everything is where I want it to be. So this looks good. All right, I'm happy with this. We're gonna be cute. Okay, now it's time for my least favorite part, braiding. I hate braiding. Hate braiding. I hate braiding my hair. I hate braiding my daughter's hair. I just hate braiding because I can't braid, and I'm not a fast braider. So let's get started. Like I said, I'm not going to go in detail, but I will show you guys. So it will be a sped up, or I may just cut it. I mean, it's a braid. It's a braid. It's basically that same braid in the last video. I think I showed it. I don't know. It's a braid, okay? It's just a braid going all the way around. Okay, so this is all of my leave out. You don't have to leave out as much hair as I do like to make mine very versatile as possible because I'm too lazy to, you know, take it out, do it if I want to change the part and stuff like that. I rather can do it all at once. Okay. So we are now about to braid the base. I already have a video of, you know, in detail the base, which is the most important, the closest to the leave out. That's the most important braid there is. The rest, it can be fugly, ugly, it can be whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna braid that and then I'll come back. Okay, so I finished braiding. It's all braided. Don't judge the braids. I know they ugly back there. Now I'm gonna bobby pin. It's good enough for me. And now we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my leave out, everything except for this part, because I'll do that once I put the U part on. So now we're just gonna straighten all of this. Okay, so my leave out is straightened. Now it's time to put on the U part wig. So the wig is secure. And now we're about to get ready to straighten or press out this part. Okay, so my leave out is straightened. You can see I can do a side part. Of course, like I said, I'm gonna add 2 clip-ins, which I need to go make the clip-ins because they're gonna be on this side. And of course, I'm doing a side part because it's kind of dark in here. But you can see mostly my hair to where, in my opinion, it doesn't blend naturally because there's so much leave out on this side. Same if I was to do a middle part. You can see this side looks very natural, and then this side you can see mostly my hair. So the clip-ins, if I was to do the middle part, will go on this side. So I'm about to go make the clip-ins and then you'll see the difference. Okay, so here are the clip-ins I made. Now I'm gonna keep it at the middle part and we're gonna put them in. And this is with the clip-in. Cute. Now, if we were to do a side part, I need to press out my hair some more, but I'm gonna go do my edges and then we're gonna close out this video because that's it. This is pretty much the final look. Okay, so this is the official final look. What do y'all think? I did go ahead and do my edges off camera. I do have an edges video in my camera. I don't know if I want to upload it we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you if you made it to this far in the video. I do appreciate it. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I do appreciate you all, and see you in my next video.